Hey, baby. Hey, look at you. You look good. All right? Maybe come on. Let me see the 360 degree. All right? Whoa. Wait. Turn on, reverse. Hey, this is what I describe as Akuna Matata.
Child.
His daddy say. Just call him.
Daddy.
Tell him your dude is back.
Daddy, my fiance is here.
All right.
Daddy.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Come here, sir. Go ahead. You know what I'm talking about? Right?
Jim Iyke.
Yeah.
So this is the way they do for film. You they do it for real life.
Oh, come on now. We do that all the time.
Bro. You say you just lift me up like on one sissy. It was a kind of what you film when swag. I would have gotten myself under, below, down.
That's why you're my father-in-law. You're my father-in-law to be with swag.
Hey! Shout it aloud.
I'm going to change this building. I'm going to demolish this. Build a new one for you. You see what I'm talking about?
Have
you seen 50 Cent before? Have you seen Jay-Z before? Have you seen Dr. Dre before?
No.
Hey, Dad, man, you're wallowing in Africa. You're ignorant about it. I'll take you to 50 Cent.
Hey.
Right? Do you want me to put a call to Jay-Z?
I can't call on them.
All right? Okay. I want to talk to E-Money. Let me call E-Money right now. All right? Just hold on. Let me talk to E-Money. Yeah, hello, E-Money. Yeah, greetings. E-Money, I need you to come and sign my father-in-law right now, right? He's looking tattered. Yeah. Looking like one Homo erectus or something like that. From the Kalahari Desert.
Okay.
Hey, come sign in. 50 million is okay. I believe you. All right. That E-Money is signing, right?
E-Money.
E-Money.
Almighty E-Money.
Yeah.
One, if an
We wrote together.
Okay, but here.
Yeah.
To sign me.
To sign you.
Hey, babe! British Abala Jama. No problem. By the way, you go take sign me there here. By the way, you come in my mask.
No, that's what I'm talking about.
Baby. You keep your husband standing. Sit.
Yeah, I need to see the right house.
What go with you?
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Yeah, I feel.
I like you. Beautiful daughter indeed. You are beautiful children. Oh, beautiful.
Alright, Dad, don't worry about anything, okay? Everything's fine. But I think I'm a little bit hungry. Is there anywhere I can get food here, like fast food?
Food?
Yeah.
You want to go and get? Forget it. Your father-in-law make cookies.
I trust you. I know I can trust you.
Let me go and bring food for you.
Alright. Make it heavy.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know what we're talking about? Man.
You don't know why it's going on.
There is God, bro.
See, I'm going to change everything. Change everything.
Hey, babe.
Okay.
How come walk out your land there?
You see that?
Chop the way hungry you.
I understand.
Your father-in-law will cook it.
Child.
I need to like. Yeah. Before, this is what I call African dish, alright? I don't need to wash my hands. Father-in-law. Man, this is something else.
Okay.
I really like this. You know, this is Africa. We eat very well in Africa, not like America.
What?
Hey, you like the food, right? Yeah, this is something else. Yes! You don't think food is in Africa. That's why we're African men. My father-in-law understands, right? Right. Man, this is talking me up. I need to eat this with swag, but it's talking me up, man. Don't eat much, man. Go see your father. Let me finish this food, man.
Okay.
Eating for days.
It's only a word. It's only a
Jim Iyke, you can't hide on TV. Don't worry, they watch it.
Okay. Jim Iyke.
Yes. You wanna go now? Shana, for the one call.
Before you are out.
Ago is hungry.
Chai.
Hey. Come on, drop that thing. Drop it to stop. Ah, which kind of nonsense stupid speed be that one? Eh? You say you be who? Who are you?
I'm Jim. You know I'm Jim Iyke. I told you about this. From United States of America.
You dey do gym for gym house or you be gymming nke nkata? Ko wo ele gym ewu. Because if say na Jim Iyke cannot see am inside you. Jim Iyke why they see for film no fit come here mafori apple like this. Jim Iyke if you enter here na money go dey spray dey tie ego na alali elu. Osubi bebe na dey pia mi ke land ele kwa him butre ngugba before mmiri aka na abia. If vanish ele oto ikpo mo mpa. Gi pam maka Chineke ijoma gi pam ndo apam sa papo go na family at this house. Gi pam na gi parodia. Pepe he patranga.
Brother, this is Africa now. You know this is how we do in Africa. Where we men eat like this in Africa.
Remain. Nulo nyodo. Food is ready or nulo mad. No, answer me. Food is ready or nulo mad. Let us go. We jo Tony. Nanaga kurubanya bega na wine.
I can't take this.
We can't take what? You must take it.
You know what? I can't take this anymore.
Jim Iyke
I'm from United States of America. I'm leaving this place.
You Jim Iyke. Get out.
Give me my business. My business.
I'm gonna
call Imo.
Come. Nonsense.
That is how they talk. America.
And only eri ya. Eri go te eri ego pay.
2 phone.
Also like 2 phone. Phone nada no. Okwa nke gini ya na alu na abali ka ekwege ya n'ọkụ.
Ba kwere m ya ọkụ abịa ama m yimi n'ọkụ achọ ebe. But ọ sị m na ọ ga-arụ ọrụ later.
Oga.
Even all this American phone. Nke a battery ya onyo yo gba ya onyo yo. But ọ sị m with time whether anyị na whether ndị ọcha to just
They go to Jim Iyke lekwe ihe o mere akpụ mbuputere ngugba. Lekwe your own Jim Iyke lekwe toshi nke ọhọ Jimmy ihe ọhọ Jimmy.
Okay.
Nkata na akpọ Jimmy. You have to open your eyes, oh. Not be everything where they tell you go believe.
Continue.
At your age, we are living in a computer world. People can tell you they are Christ, why they are not Christ. People can even come and claim they are your father, why they are not your father. You have to wash your eyes and open your eyes very well. Don't be stupid. But I'm getting 2 days. What a crab and gala money. Not that water.
There is God, oh.
Now, inside. Get out of this place.
I'm gonna wanna yo man, father. That's what he's speaking.
Oh, yeah, negligee waffle. Oh, walk agona. Yes, near Lakam with Negnaga. Very soon you go follow your mother.
Chai.
Idiot. Ngata to Fushego and the Chogo. Sonia Movie Association, I belong and be gogo. I'm a non Catoriana. Nkotorianya mgbe mụrụ nwa coat oyiri lekpago onwe n'ime coat ka m na so gbaghara adịra na my family. Hey! Muriri otu eri ihe iriri nga ga eri n'ugwu go. You dey not eat like this in your burial this week ikpo monyoshi. Stupid imbecile.
Okay.
Ibraka amafori le kon fem tra hu shege anu ni re no ngo sale under 2 seconds. No be Jimmy dey chop like that. Foreign dog. If you na for money, you can boss the money very soon. Omu na egbu ma jibe.
She what?
Ekwe ngolulu ya ha. Ogodo ga na akpọ block.